Hello, beautiful souls. This is a mini album I created using a packaging that I had made for a swap. And for my swap group members, I wanted to show them how they can use the packaging that I created to make a mini album. And the tutorial for that is linked in the description box below. I added this tassel that was also a part of the swap. I added it here to the side. So here's the front. Here's a part of the inside. Here's the back. And I put it together with binder rings. And I also added eyelets to all the holes in all the pages. This first page has a hidden door. That's why it's called the Secret Garden. And it opens up this way. This is an altered clothespin. It's a very tiny one. This comes out to put a photo in here. This also comes out to put a photo in here. There's another hidden door here. And it reveals a pocket here and a place here to put a picture. On the first page, there is a waterfall. I just tied it with this ribbon. And these are spots for you to put photos front and back. You can fit 9 photos on this page alone. On page 2, you can put a photo here. This is a tag, and this opens up to reveal more space to put photos. You can actually put 2 photos here if you crop it. There's another place for a photo here, and this tag comes out. You can put photos here too, or you can use it as a journaling card. This one opens as well. All the pages were created pretty much the same. This is more space for more photos. This card was included inside the packaging where I had the charms, the altar charms I created hanging off of this. So I included this to put a photo on here and possibly some journaling here. I added a flower back here. And here's another journaling card. Or a place to put more photos. I embellished all of them with lace and appliques. On the third page, it's the same. They just have the different elements on them, different appliques. These are the last 2 pages. This has a pretty butterfly applique. I stained this particular applique. And this is the last page with another waterfall, just like the front. And here's the back. This is an altered hairpin that I made into a paper clip. I have a tutorial on this also, and it's linked in the description box below. This is just a journaling card that comes out. There's a hidden door here also with 1, 2, 3 pockets. It's magnetized as well as the front doors. This mini album is for sale at my Etsy shop at Tea Time and Dolls. All is well. Let's share, be fair, be filled with love, and love one another. Take care, everybody.